black-headed, fine young lover. Her name was Rosie McLean. Though I've traveled far and I wandered this world, no better love have I been in. Well, her father did not like me. For money I had none, no riches and no standing. If there was a poor boy, I was one. A poor boy, a poor boy, a poor boy, poor boy. Well, I told him my intention. I would make young Rosie my bride. But her father, he did strike me down and told me to stay out of her life. I was bloodied and I was battered. I was drunk on strong whiskey and gin, and I swore to this world that I would murder the man named Red McGlynn. Well, I'm going down to the water, gonna cleanse my dirty skin. I've done hope to another, and my body reeks of sin. I'm a poor boy, poor boy, poor boy, poor boy. Well, I waited up till evening, and I loaded up my gun. And when he had said his evening prayers, I shot him down beneath the setting sun. I was arrested that very evening, for my guilt below was sure. I would hang beneath that old oak tree till my body moved no more. Well, I'm going down to the wall, gonna cleanse my dirty skin. I've done hope to another, and my body reeks of sin. I'm a poor boy, poor boy, poor boy. My father, he often told me not to relish rich daddy's girls, for if you do, son, you'll go to hell for the fun, and no more you will love in this world. Now my ghost, it haunts the darkness, and my guns are still loaded with lead. And if any old man should be less than kind, by God, I will shoot him. Now I'm going down to the wall, gonna cleanse my dirty skin. I have done hope to another, and my body reeks of sin. I'm a poor boy, poor boy. I'm a poor boy, poor boy. Thank you.